Follow this simple guide to share your YouTube video or see a clickable link on Instagram stories using Android or iPhone. All you have to do is open up Instagram and select the add story option. Select the camera option. Select this double A icon. In tab to type here my YouTube channel and just select the text and select this icon and it's gonna be looks good and add a logo like this. And now to add the YouTube link, select this icon and select here link option. Now, now just do like this and open up Chrome, search for your YouTube channel name and then select the YouTube channel. And this is my YouTube channel. For example, I'm doing it. Select this more option and this is your YouTube channel link. Just hold it like this and copy link, and after copying it go back to Instagram, paste the copied URL and select done option, and as you can see link has been added to story. And now my YouTube channel, under here you can able to see my YouTube channel link. Select this right arrow option, your story, select share option, select share story and now select done option, and it's going to be added to the story guys. So whenever someone see your story, just by tapping it they will tap the link and select visit link option, and it's opens your YouTube channel guys. So this method will help you to reach 1K subs. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.